First tonight, the president is back at the White House after spending a few days at Walter Reed Medical Center. He released a video message on Twitter tonight telling Americans not to be afraid of the coronavirus. You're going to beat it.
But health experts are calling his message and actions dangerous. Here's Marcelina Benito.
After spending 4 days in the hospital, President Trump walked out of Walter Reed Hospital in a mask, still infected with COVID-19.
Though he may not entirely be out of the woods yet, the team and I agree that all our evaluations, and most importantly, his clinical status, support the president's safe return home.
The president is still being treated with the steroid dexamethasone and will receive a final dose of the drug remdesivir on Tuesday.
Are you surprised he was discharged so quickly?
Yeah, I think that's a mistake to discharge him tonight.
Infectious disease specialist Dr. Peter Hotez says there's still unknowns about the president's status. Nonetheless, tonight, President Trump made the short flight back to the White House on board Marine One, where a COVID outbreak is underway. Press Secretary Kayleigh McEnany, the latest staffer to test positive.
There's basically an epidemic in the White House, which is in itself a national security risk.
The president walked out on the South Lawn and up the steps of the White House, where despite being contagious, took off his mask for a several minutes long photo op. It's already part of a campaign video he tweeted out. The president walked inside the White House without putting his mask back on.
That's very dangerous.
This comes 1 day after the president's drive-by outside the hospital to greet supporters, a move also heavily criticized by health experts.
It's not something I would have wanted one of my patients to do.
Tonight, the campaign continues with former VP Joe Biden in Florida and the president vowing to be back on the trail soon with a message to the public. He says he feels better than he did 20 years ago.
Don't be afraid of it. You're going to beat it.
It tends to send a wrong message to the American people that somehow COVID-19 is not a big deal when we know it's a huge deal. It is the greatest public health catastrophe our nation's faced in the last 100 years.
Trump's medical team says they will closely monitor the president the next few days to keep both he and the White House staff safe until he's in the clear. Marcelino Benito, KHOU 11 News.